Want to have total control of your trading operations in the palm of your hand and trade from anywhere with the same precision as your computer? Today, I'm going to show you how to use BlackArrow Mobile. Let's start from scratch. Step 1. Install the app. Search for BlackArrow in your App Store or Google Play. Download it and then open it. The login is the same email and password you already use on the website, okay? So the platform will send a notification code through your email. You can choose to keep connected in your cell phone. So we click enter and that's it. Next, we have to select our license if we have more than one, like me in this case. So we're gonna choose the BlackArrow Ultra for this example and confirm. Now we are already in the BlackArrow app. This is the Portfolio tab, your real-time command center. This is where you monitor what's happening with your account while you're in a position, okay? At the top, Open P&L shows you live profit or loss in real time. If you close your position right now, this is your realized result. Right below, Daily P&L, okay? So here below, your daily P&L gives you the complete picture of your day. The sum of what you've already closed plus what is still floating in the market. In the list below, you get an X-ray of your position, which asset you are trading, how many contracts you are holding, your entry price compared to the current price, and of course individual result of that operation. Now, clicking on the adjacent Performance tab, you will find a statistical X-ray of your performance. This is where the numbers show whether your strategy is truly profitable. At the top, you have your equity curve chart, where you can filter by period: a single day, a week, a month, 3 months, or even the whole year, okay? This is the easy way to visualize and track the highs and lows of your balance. So right below, in the statistical summary, you see your total net profit, which is your final net result after deducting losses from your gross profit. This tab also shows your total number of trades, your win rate percentage, and a detailed breakdown of winning, losing, or break-even trades, as well as a list of operational costs. Finally, the Trades tab works as your detailed logbook. While performance focuses on the global statistical summary, this is where you view the individual history of every trade executed. At the top, you have an adjustable period selector to filter trades by day, week, month, 6 months, a year. Right below, the app lists all your executed orders line by line. Clicking on an open order opens the trade information screen, which displays the real-time result of that specific operation or the past information of that specific operation, as you can see right here. This is a trade I already closed, and this is the one we are at now, so we can see the specific information of this open trade. At the top, you have quick shortcuts to open the assets chart, as you can see this first button, to open the super zone, and to open the market depth and times and trades. So this is very easy, as you can see here. Below, the cards detail your trade structure: average buy or sell price, volume of lots traded, exact opening time, and trade duration. At the bottom, alongside the financial result of this specific trade, you'll find the most crucial tool for risk management, the close button, which lets you exit the opening position instantly with one click, as you can see right here. It's the ideal feature to review your entries and exits in detail, identify winning patterns, and maintain flawless risk management on the go. Menu and Risk Manager. Clicking on the Menu tab gives you access to the central hub, where all the platform's tools and resources are conveniently organized. Here you'll find analysis modules featuring charts, quote lists, market depth, real-time news, and an economic calendar to track the day's events. In the trading section, along with your performance report and order lists, you have the Risk Manager to set up your safety locks and protect your trades. Inside the menu, selecting Risk Manager activates your operational safety belt. This tool protects your account against impulsive decisions and execution errors. Here you set clear rules for the app to automatically block new orders. Simply configure limits such as maximum daily loss, for example, profit target reached, maximum equity drawdown, as you can see here, number of consecutive losses of assets greater than, you can choose, achieve number of closed trades, for example, or you can also set a time limit. Additionally, it offers operational error prevention by allowing you to limit the financial size of each order and even lock settings edits for a specified period, ensuring you stick strictly to your risk plan without emotional interference. So here you can set all your operational error prevention. Charting tools. Now let's tap Chart. The bottom bar is your technical control bar. Use it to customize your entire chart analysis before taking action. Hey trader, if you want to see more videos like this from trader to trader, click on the card up here. Layout. Switch between different saved screens, as you can see here. Let's change, just for example, okay? On period, change the candlestick time frames. So we can choose, for example, 1 day, or we can use 15 minutes, or we can use 5 minutes as before. On indicators, you can add moving average, RSI, and others indicators that you usually use on your trading system, okay? So here we can add, for example, moving average, another moving average. Moving average, we want to put it the price, and that's it, done. Okay, so here we have our indicators. On studies, we can add drawing tools such as trend lines, support and resistance level. As you can see here, I will select the trend line and we can add it directly on the chart, as you can see right here. In order button, you open the order panel to place trades directly from the chart screen. So let's buy at market, for example. To change assets, simply click in the plus icon right here, and then search for your desired asset. For example, GCZ6, and there you go. It's simple as that. And then you can navigate up here between your assets. Order execution and OCO orders. Now let's understand how order execution works. Tapping order opens the quick trading panel directly on the chart. At the top of the panel, select your trading account. Then set your parameters. Price, define whether you're enter at market or limit. Stop offset, set your stop margin. Quantity, choose the number of contracts you want to trade. For example, 4 for us here. Right below are the quick execution buttons. So buy at market, instantly buy at market price. Sell at market, instantly sell at market price. Let's, for example, sell at market, just for example. So in close, closes your open position. Note, close only closes a active position. So here we can close, see? Then let's open another position to show you guys how to cancel orders plus close. So for example, here I have 2 orders, okay? One we already entered and another one is just there to be activated. So in cancel plus close orders, it cancels all pending orders and flattens your position all at once, as you can see right here. And for invert position, let's open another one just to show you guys. So here we click on the X to remove the price, and then we can sell at market, just for example. And if we want to instantly flip our position from sell, in this case, to a buy position, you just click in invert. Simple as that, you see? Important technical note here, in this demonstration we are using BlackArrow Ultra, but maybe you're using BlackArrow 1. In the 1 version, orders do not automatically include attached stop loss and take profit orders, known as OCO or bracket orders. The bracket orders feature pre-configured OCO orders with automatic stop loss and take profit attached upon execution, is available starting from BlackArrow Plus, Pro, Ultra, or by activating the Ultra upgrade add-on on your BlackArrow 1. I'm going to show you an example if we were trading on BlackArrow 1. Risk management is done on BlackArrow 1 manually and easily right after opening a position. For stop loss, so let's open a position here, just for example. Whoops. So here we have an open position, okay? For stop loss, with this open position, tap price. So here, tap price and enter your desired stop loss level. Then tap sell. So for example, let's set our stop loss by, let's see, 7,735. So 7,735. And then we click on buy stop, okay? Send. So here we have a stop loss. For take profit, follow the same steps by sending a limit order at your target price. In this case, we're going to use a buy stop. So let's set, for example, our target at 7,724. 7,724. Then buy. So here you have. You can also add a stop loss or take profit by tapping your executed order directly on the chart and dragging it to the opposite direction to set your stop loss, as you can see right here. Okay, so here to set our stop loss, we just adjust here on the chart. Let's cancel this one before, cancel it. Okay, and we can set, of course, as well a take profit by just dragging it. We want to buy order. That's it, simple as that. Remember, since these are independent orders, once the market hits your target or stop, you must manually cancel the remaining order on the panel to avoid leaving orphan orders in the book, okay? So if we reach, for example, our profit order, we have to cancel manually our stop order, okay? And that's it. You now master all the main functions of the BlackArrow mobile app, from chart analysis and risk management to fast order execution. You have an entire professional trading platform right in your pocket, ensuring you never miss a market opportunity. If this step-by-step guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. See you in the next video.